In this video, I will show you how to open a Roth IRA here in Fidelity. So let's begin. Now you may ask, what is a Roth IRA? Basically, it's an individual retirement account, right? You fund with after-tax dollars. Your investments have the potential to grow tax-free and may be withdrawn tax-free as well, provided certain requirements are met and contributions you add to a Roth may be withdrawn at any time penalty-free. Now, here are some benefits of a Roth IRA. You keep more of what you make. Any investment growth in a Roth is a tax-free. Alright, flexible access to your money. If you need money in a pinch, any amount you add to your Roth can be withdrawn without taxes or penalties anytime for any reason. Easy to qualify, earned income, and to be eligible to contribute, you simply need to earn income within specific IRS limits, alright? Now you can pick the Fidelity Roth IRA that fits you best. All you're gonna do is answer one simple question to start. What do you want investing your Roth IRA? Alright, so here you can invest on your own, or you can ask Fidelity to help you manage your investments right here. Alright, so here are some FAQs. Now all you're gonna do is get started. Simply click the button here, open a Roth IRA. Once you click on that, you will be given a new window. You will choose and manage new investments, right? Get started. And if you'd like Fidelity to choose and manage your investments, if you want to get started, all you're going to do is click on it. Now you will be directed to a new page to open an account, all right? They will ask you if you are already a Fidelity customer, all right? If you said no, what will happen is, you see, opening an account takes just a few minutes. First, you'll need to confirm your identity and employment information. Once the account is open, you'll create a username and password. And finally, begin the process of transferring money into your account. Okay, here, so basically, Fidelity will need few details. Your full name, your social security number, date of birth, country of citizenship, mobile number, and a working email. Where do you live, and all that information. And once you have provided that, click on next, and Fidelity will give you a verification sort of an email that your request or account has been approved. All right, after doing so, you will be able to open an account here in Fidelity. All right, and that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, we will see you all in our next video.